Hey friends, how about this Progress infographic? Isn't it cool and great?
Yes.
If you also want to learn how this can be prepared, just watch this. Before moving ahead, please press the like button and subscribe my channel. Let's get started. So I have a data of work completed and balanced work left. Just select this, go to insert tab and just add a donut chart. Let's just reduce the size. Remove the chart title, just click on this and press delete. And similarly, let's remove this as well. And now it's only the formatting part that we need to do. So we'll click on this donut chart. We'll go to format. Firstly, we will click on shape outline and choose no outline. So basically now we want this blue shape to be a green shape. Just click on this shape, go to format, shape fill, and here you can select this as a green shape, or maybe this green. And similarly for this orange shape we want this to be a gray shape. So we'll just click on this, go to format, shape fill, and we'll choose a gray color. So as soon as I change this work completed to, let's say, 50, my balance work automatically changes to 50 because I have entered formula as 100% minus B3 cell. Now if you want to have a text box inside this donut to show how much work has been completed, we'll go on insert, illustrations, and shape, and we can choose any shape which we want to add and insert this shape. Now we have to just click on this shape, go to formula bar, press is equal to B3. So basically we are linking the text which is shown in this shape with B3 cell, and just press enter. So we can say here we can see the 60%. If I change it to 50, it will become 50%. Now it's all about formatting of this particular shape. Let's do the formatting just by going to the shape format tab. Let's align this 50% into the center. Go to home tab and choose center in both of this. We'll increase the size of the text as well.
First, let's increase the size of circle itself. And now let's increase the size of the text.
Let's change the color of the text as well. Now this looks perfect.
Now let's remove the shape outline of the entire graph as well for better formatting.
Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe my channel. Keep practicing and keep honing your skills.